Hello students, welcome to EDUHUNT online video classes. In the previous session we have discussed the concept and now we are going to discuss some questions from worksheet 4. The very first question is the false statement among the following is. Here the question is false statement. False statement. What is false statement among these? First option is the set of real numbers is not finite. First we have to know what are real numbers. What are real numbers here? Real numbers is nothing but real numbers. In these real numbers there are irrational numbers and rational numbers. In rational numbers integers are there. In integers whole numbers are there. In whole numbers natural numbers are there. That means natural numbers are part of rational numbers, whole numbers are part of rational numbers and integers also part of rational numbers. Combining these rational numbers and irrational numbers, those numbers are called real numbers. See here, the set of real numbers is not finite. Here the point is not finite. What do you mean by not finite? Not finite means infinite. Set of real numbers is finite, is infinite. Is this true statement or false? Yes, true statement. Next, the set of whole numbers is not infinite. What are whole numbers here? Whole numbers are nothing but W. W means 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on like this. Next, is not infinite. Not infinite means finite. Finite. What do you mean by finite? That means somewhere the whole numbers will stop. Is it true? No. This is a false statement. So the answer for this question is option B. Next we discuss the remaining two options also. The set of natural numbers is infinite. Yes, set of natural numbers is infinite. True. What are natural numbers? Natural numbers are nothing but these are denoted by n, as we already discussed in the previous session. N is equal to set of 1, 2, 3 and so on like this. Set of integers is not finite. What do you mean by not finite? That is infinite. Yes, true. Infinite is true. Set of integers is infinite. Yes, true. Integers. What do you mean by integers? Here integers. Integers are nothing but positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. These are integers. Here for this question false statement is set of whole numbers is not infinite. That means set of whole numbers is finite. That is the false statement here. Okay. Okay students, let's move on to the next question. Successor of 0 in the set of whole numbers is. First, successor. What do you mean by successor? Successor means next number. What do you mean by successor? Next number. How do we get a next number? By adding 1 to the given number, then we get the successor of that number. Here set of whole numbers. What do you mean by whole numbers? Whole numbers are denoted by W. Those are 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on like this. These are whole numbers. Successor of 0 in the set of whole numbers. 0. That means we have to add 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. That is answer for this question is 1. That is option 3. Let's move on to the next one. In the set of whole numbers, the valid operation among the following is. In this question, we have to check each and every option. First, we check the first option. Option A, 12 by 2 is equal to 2 by 12. Let's cancel the numbers. 12 by 2, 2 1s are 2 6s are. 2 1s are 2 6s are. This is nothing but 6 is equal to 1 by 6. Is this true? No. Second option. 12 minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 12. What is 12 minus 2? 10. 2 minus 12 minus 10. How? Same concept. Sign concept we can remember here. Same signs or different signs? Different signs. Different signs means subtraction or addition? Subtraction. So subtraction 12 minus 2 that is 10. we have to put the minus n because the bigger number is having minus, that's why we have to put the minus to 10, that is minus 10. So this is a wrong statement. No. 0 plus 8 is equal to 8. Yes, 0 plus any number is equal to any number. Original number plus 0 is equal to original number only. That's why this statement is true. Next, check the next option also. 3 into 1, that is 3. 1 into 3, 3 is not equal to, no, 3 is equal to 3. It's always true. Therefore, here the statement is wrong. That means answer for this question is option 3. Okay, students, let's move on to the next question. The property related to the given operation is 0 plus 7. The property related to the given operation 0 plus 7 is equal to 7 plus 0 in the whole numbers. Which property it is? We know the properties: closure property, associative property, distributive property, commutative property, identity property. With these all properties we have discussed in the earlier classes. Now see, what is closure property here? Closure property is nothing but in whole numbers. If we take addition, sum of two whole numbers must be a whole number, that is closure property. Associative property, we have to take three numbers. In any order, if we add those three numbers, then the result must be same. Distributive property and identity property. Identity property means here additive identity is 0 and multiplicative identity is 1. So here 7 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 1, that is equal to 7 only. That means this is related to identity property. Okay, next let's move on to the next question, students. The largest whole number preceding 10 power 8 plus 1 is, so the given number preceding means the before number. What do you mean by preceding? Pre means before number. What is the before number of 10 power 8 plus 1 is 10 power 8 plus 1. Before number means we have to subtract 1. Now subtract 1 from this number, 10 power 8. So we have to check where it is 10 power 8. 10 power 8 minus 1, no, not possible. 10 power 8 plus 1, no, not possible. 10 power 8 into 1, that is 10 power 8. 10 power 8. So answer for this question is 10 power 8 into 1, that is 10 power 8. Here it is 10 power 1 plus 1 is 2, 10 power 8 plus 2. This is nothing but, this is preceding number, this is successor of this number. Successor of 10 power 8 plus 1 is this one, option 4, that is 10 power 8 plus 2. If the question is successor of the number 10 power 8 plus 1 is 10 power 8 plus 2. Let's move on to the next question, students. The set of whole numbers contains dash number of elements. Set of whole numbers. What do you mean by whole numbers here? Whole numbers means denoted by W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on like this. Here contains dash number of elements. Infinite number of elements? Yes, true. Fixed? No. Limited? That means fixed? No. Finite? No. Now the answer for this question is infinite number of elements are there in whole numbers. Let's move on to the next question, students. Commutative property of multiplication in whole numbers is represented by, okay, what do you mean by commutative property of multiplication in whole numbers? In whole numbers only we have to check. What do you mean by commutative property? Commutative property means we have to take two numbers. Two whole numbers. We are talking in whole numbers, that's why we have to take two whole numbers. Let the two numbers be A and B. A and B. We are talking in multiplication, that means multiplication that is equal to B into A. That means you take any two whole numbers, multiply in any order, the result must be same. That represents the commutative property of multiplication. See where it is. A into B is not equal to B into A. No. 1 by A into 1 by B is equal to B into 1 by A. See, 1 by B, there is no number 1 by B in whole numbers. So this is also wrong. A into 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. That means this is also wrong. A into B is equal to B into A. This is the right answer for this question. Let's move on to the next question, students. The additive identity in whole numbers is additive identity. So already we have discussed in the previous question. What is additive identity? Additive identity is nothing but 0. What is multiplicative identity? Multiplicative identity is equal to 1. Additive identity is 0. Multiplicative identity is 1. Where is 0? Option 3 is the correct answer for this question. Let's move on to the next question. 7 plus 3 plus 8 is equal to. There are 3 numbers. In this question, there are 3 numbers. Okay, 3 numbers. 3 numbers means that is associative property. When we talk about properties, 3 numbers, where there are 3 numbers, that is associative property. Okay, students. Okay, right. 7 plus 3 plus 8. 7 plus 3 plus 8 is nothing but, see, first check the result. 7 plus 3 plus 8. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 8. The answer is 18. Okay, check the options one by one. 7 into 3, this is 21 into 8. This is 8, 16, 168. So answer is option A is not correct. And option C, 3 into 8, 24 plus 7. This is nothing but 31. This is also wrong. And 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 into 3, that is 45. 45 is also not correct. Now this one, 3 plus 8, that is 11. 11 plus 7, that is equal to 18. Answer for this question is option D, that is 18. Okay, students, let's move on to the next question. If A and B are whole numbers, then A plus B is equal to. Okay, let's check with the examples, then only we'll get the accurate answer. Okay, if A and B are 2 whole numbers, let's take any whole number. First check the option. First one, cannot be a natural number. Okay, let's check. Let's take A is equal to 0, B is equal to 2. Okay, A plus B is equal to 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. 2 is what number? Natural number. Okay, fine. Natural number and whole number 2. Okay, right. Is not a whole number. Is not a whole number. This statement is wrong because it is whole number. Is a whole number. Yes, it is also true. And is not possible. This is wrong. See here, cannot be a natural number. It can be a natural number sometime. See, if I take A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. That means A plus B is equal to 0 plus 0, 0. Okay. 0 is a whole number. 0 is a whole number. 0 belongs to whole number but does not belongs. This is called belongs. Belongs to n. Did you understand, students? Here cannot be a natural number. Yes, in this case it is not a natural number. It is a whole number. Okay. Here there is no condition. We should not take A and B are same. There is no condition. So that I can take A and B are equal. That is A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0. That means A plus B, 0 plus 0 is 0. That is a whole number, not a natural number. So cannot be a natural number. So cannot be a natural number. Yes. Then cannot be a natural number. Not every time. Okay, sometimes it is natural number, sometimes it is not natural number. So that's why answer for this question is a whole number. Okay, students, let's move on to the next question. This is all about worksheet 4. Okay, students, did you understand? Okay, thank you for watching this video and we'll meet in the next session.